those sticks that you put on the in the bathroom and on the sinks.
Yeah.
And then it also goes to put it on the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
See, and you put one of those little sticks once a month. And I put one of them last month, and it probably is supposed to clear the pipes.
Oh, there it is.
But then when instead of clearing it, it clogged it. What you do with that?
All right. Video.
Oh, here we go. Hold on. There it is. There's all the gunk.
Want me
That's
to-
what's holding up the
I'm gonna go
drain.
clean that.
You see it?
Yeah.
Here. Okay, so it looks clean.
Here we go over. Here we go over. So you're not gonna need the rotor.
Well, if you want to put it right here, ahora se mete hasta adentro.
Oh no, I'm gonna go clean this pipe. Be right back.
To be continued. I'm gonna go over there.
Okay. I got it.